Here at Galco, we pride ourselves on being able to provide customers with quality solutions for their most complex problems. We understand that equipment breaks down and that downtime costs you money. That's why we offer on-site repair services where our factory-trained technicians can come to your facility and help minimize your downtime by getting your equipment repaired and processes back up and running reliably. With our on-site repair advantage, you get fast response time from our technicians, competitive rates, immediate access to Galco's huge parts inventory, but most importantly, with Galco's on-site repair advantage, you get experience, expertise, and repairs that you can trust. Learn more about our quality on-site repair services by visiting us at galco.com.